Hi everyone! Today we're going to make an amazing 1 spoon of grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup. Also, we'll make croutons for garnish. First layer is tasty tomato soup. Let's start cooking. Dice half of medium-sized onion or quarter of large-sized onion. Chopped 2 cloves of garlic. Melt 2 tablespoons unsalted butter in a medium pot over medium heat. Add diced onions and cook until the onions are soft and translucent. It will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Add chopped garlic and half teaspoon of sugar, then sauté for 2 minutes. Add whole can of crushed tomatoes, and then add 3 cups and 1/3 cup more of chicken broth. Add 1 bay leaf for enhancing the flavor. Increase heat to medium-high and bring to a boil. When it's boiled, reduce heat to medium-low and simmer for 30 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. When it's cooled down, remove bay leaf from the soup and place soup mixture into the blender and puree until smooth. Return the puree to the pot and add half cup of heavy whipping cream. If you want more smoother flavor, you can add another half cup of heavy whipping cream in the soup. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Stir and serve with croutons and grilled cheese sandwich. Second layer is yummy grilled cheese sandwich. Let's start cooking. Cut all edges of a slice of bread. Don't throw away these edges. We'll make croutons with these. Heat large pan over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in a pan. When butter is melted, place 4 slices of bread in a pan. Put slice of cheddar cheese on each piece of bread. Then put slice of honey ham on top of each piece. And add slice of American cheese on top of the ham. Finally, cover with the remaining 4 slices of bread. Grill until one side turns golden brown. When it turns golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and flip it to make the other side golden brown. Do you see the cheese are melted perfectly? Then it's ready to serve. Last layer is crispy croutons. Let's start cooking. Cut all edges of bread in 1 bite size. Chopped 1 clove of garlic. In a large bowl, combine 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, chopped garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of parsley. Add bread and mix well until the bread is coated by all ingredients and olive oil absorbed. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Spread out the bread cubes on a baking sheet pan. Bake for 10 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Serve with any kinds of soup or you can have it as a snack. Finally, we made amazing 1 spoon of grilled cheese sandwich, tomato soup, and even croutons at home. How about try grilled cheese plate this weekend? Make your brunch elegance. Please like and subscribe.